people that I have consulted in the last 10-15 years of my practice ask me, how long do they have to eat in a particular way? Well, it really depends on the individual's health condition and how well they practice the initial few months. So when a person is going through a particular health condition, they cannot afford to eat a larger variety of things that will slow down the healing process. So there's something called as a healing diet, wherein we are healing a condition, and at that time we even though there is enough variety in it, but we're still working towards reducing the inflammation in the body, strengthening the energy channels in the body, strengthening the digestion, improving the blood sugar. There's so many things we're working at together that the body is more sensitive in that stage, and we definitely need to work together to bring about a certain health. However, if a person eats what is given to them on a healing diet for like 7 years or 10 years or 5 years, they may actually fall sick, because you're not supposed to eat a healing diet forever. And so eating a healing diet up to a certain specific period of time, which should be guided with personalized coaching, and then switching over to healthier, a larger variety of foods, which would be under the category of a healthy diet. So person living a happy, healthy life can eat a lot more things, and the body is a lot more forgiving when you're in health. But when you're going through a sensitive health condition, especially related to the lungs, it's very important to follow a healing diet rather than just a generally healthy diet.